An allergy is a condition in which the immune system responds to a foreign substance which is harmful for the body. Our immune system becomes hypersensitive to certain substances like medications, pollen, foods, etc., which results in the allergic reactions in the body. The substance causing the allergy is termed as allergen. Various allergens are of everyday substances which are typically not harmful for most people. However, any substance can be an allergen when the immune system shows a specific type of adverse reaction to that substance. Allergy symptoms. An individual observes inflammation and irritation while suffering through allergic reactions. The specific symptoms of allergy depend upon the type of allergen. Allergic reactions may develop in the eyes, airways, sinuses, skin, gut or nasal passages. Here are several triggers and the symptoms which may be experienced by the individual suffering through allergy. Dust and pollen. Swollen and watery eyes. A runny nose. Itchy nose and eyes. A congested and blocked nose. A cough. Food. Itchiness in the mouth. Rectal bleeding. Shortness of breath. Stomach cramps. Swelling of the throat, face or lips. Tingling in the mouth. A swollen tongue. Vomiting. Insect stings. Itchy skin. Fall in blood pressure. Swelling at the site of the sting. Wheezing. Dizziness. Restlessness. Chest tightness. A cough. Medication. Itchiness. A rash. Swelling of the face, lips and tongue. Wheezing. Allergy causes. During an allergic reaction, allergens bind to antibodies, immunoglobulin E, produced by the body. Basically, the antibodies defend the body against harmful substances in the body. Once the allergen gets connected to the antibodies, mast cells release chemicals which trigger the symptoms of the allergic reaction. Histamine is also one of these chemicals and causes the muscles in the airways and walls of the arteries to tighten. It also causes the excess mucus production by instructing the lining of the nose. Allergy diagnosis. When you visit a doctor's clinic, he may ask about your body symptoms which you have noticed, the medication history and the family history of allergies. The doctor may also recommend some tests for diagnosing allergy, which include blood tests. A blood sample from your vein is taken and sent to the laboratory to measure the levels of IgE antibodies in the blood. Reports will give an idea to the doctor about the things from which the patient could have allergy. Skin prick test. In this test, the doctor will prick the skin with a little amount of a possible allergen. The patient will be diagnosed with allergy if his skin reacts and becomes red, itchy or swollen. Patch test. To detect contact eczema, the doctor may attach a metal disc with some amount of suspected allergen on the back of the person. After 48 hours, the patient is checked for any skin reaction. All these tests and physical examination will help the doctor in diagnosing the patient with allergy. Allergy treatment. The treatment of allergy is not very effective in modern science. These medications show their action in a temporary manner and suppress the functioning of the immune system, which is not healthy for the overall health. But the Ayurvedic medicines are very effective in treating the allergy in a completely natural way. Ayurvedic medicines are prepared with herbs obtained from nature which treat the disease from its root cause. By following the basic principles of Ayurveda, Life Aveda prepared allergy relief pack by using best quality herbal extracts. All the herbal remedies included in this pack are independent from any synthetic material such as color, flavor, preservative, binder, filler, or any chemical. These remedies are prepared under the supervision of Ayurvedic experts having a vast experience of preparing herbal formulations. Consumption of Allergy Relief Pack will help you in getting rid of the allergy in a natural way and without possessing any side effects. Take a look at this marvelous pack. Allergy Relief Pack by Life Aveda. Tulsi Drops. Life Aveda's Tulsi Drops are formulated with standardized extracts of Ban Tulsi, Ocimum gratissimum, Kali Tulsi, Ocimum tenuiflorum, Ram Tulsi, Ocimum sanctum, Sweet Tulsi, Ocimum basilicum, and several other types of Tulsi. These drops are packed with multiple health beneficial properties which promote the healthy functioning of the immune system, purify the blood, and enhance overall body health. Tulsi drops are very beneficial in relieving the allergy in an effective manner. Dosage: 4 to 5 drops twice a day with plain water or as per directed by the physician. Allergy. Allergy capsules prepared in the manufacturing unit of Life Aveda consist of high-quality extract of Ashwagandha, Vidania somnifera, Shirish, Albizia lebbeck, Haridra, Curcuma longa, and Neem, Ajadirachta indica. All these herbs work in a synergistic manner to treat various types of allergies in a complete natural manner without showing any side effects. Inflammation and allergic reactions are treated with these capsules along with improving the healthy functioning of the immune power. Dosage: 2 capsules twice daily with plain water after meals or as directed by the physician. Curcumin 95. Curcumin, Curcuma longa, is a well-known herb prescribed in the ancient Ayurvedic literature due to its numerous health-improving properties. Pure quality extract of curcumin herb is formulated in the Curcumin 95 capsules of Life Aveda. These capsules are rich in anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antiseptic properties. Consumption of these capsules will reduce inflammation while suffering through the allergy and strengthen the working of the immune system. Thus, provide relief from allergy. Dosage: 2 capsules twice daily with plain water after meals or as directed by the physician. Suffering from allergy may annoy you and interrupt your daily activities. The treatment of allergy should be taken at the correct time to avoid its various irritating complications. You can get rid of allergy in a natural way by using herbal remedies of Life Aveda. These medicines will show their action by keeping your body natural and without giving any side effects. Any person of any age can use these herbal remedies to treat allergy. For more details, you can contact us. Call us on 917743002520. Go online www.avedayur.com. info@avedayur.com. Order now.